Has Starliner turned into HAL 9000? Well, it looks like astronaut Butch Wilmore stumbled upon some strange sounds echoing through the Starliner spacecraft. And let's just say it's more than a little unsettling.
There's a strange noise coming through the speaker.
On a regular Saturday, Butch casually chips in with a radio call to Mission Control, asking about this weird noise that's making him question if he's piloting a spacecraft or an overzealous karaoke machine. Now, what's causing this unnerving sonar-like ping? Probably just pressure differences or an angry space gremlin, but who really knows? After all, space is a bit noisy, right? Plus, let's not forget the glorious track record Starliner has had. Leaks, failed thrusters, and now an impromptu symphony. Honestly, this feels like the opening scene of a space horror movie. Cue the ominous music, and let's hope Wilmore doesn't end up outsmarted by his own spaceship.